The quickest movements patients tell me they injure their backs with are repeatedly bending incorrectly or twisting, and bending and twisting together is one of the worst things you can do to your back. This is the front and this is the back. Between two vertebrae, you have a soft gel-like structure called the disc, and right behind them is where the nerves sit. And these are the nerves that go into your legs. So what tends to happen is if you bend forward incorrectly, if you do it a few times, nothing's going to happen. When you do that repeatedly, what tends to happen is this disc can bulge out like this or slip out like this and touch the nerve. You can get pain in the back, the legs, also known as sciatica. Today, we're going to talk about 3 ways to bend safely. Most people bend like this while rounding their back. The correct way to bend is to do a hip hinge. You get your hips shoulder width apart, then you push your hips back as far back as they can go and hinge from your hips. You should feel a stretch in your hamstrings. Instead of bending your back, you can bend your knees to do a squat. It's a healthy way to pick or lift and your back stays straight. The byproduct is you end up strengthening your leg muscles. The third way to bend in this video is to do a lunge. I find this particularly useful when I'm putting my shoes on. And you can see again, the back stays entirely straight. A common mistake I see with patients while squatting is they bend their knees and bend their back as well. You're telling yourself you're bending the knees, but you're doing this as well. Another wrong thing you can do is by bending your knees forward too much. So the knees are crossing the toes, and this can be detrimental to the knees in the long run. So what you want to do is sit as if you're sitting into a chair. If you would like to know more about strengthening your lower back, please watch the video here.